All right, so interesting, we're moving the first section of the wall into the factory and maybe putting it in place so we can start welding. So what we're doing here is we're moving the overhead crane in, and we're going to move it now connected from the telehandler, which is this big forklift kind of device here. So we're going to connect now this is one of the outer walls. We're connecting it to the crane overhead, and then we're going to move it into position onto the floor we're welding. We're lifting it up now with the crane. It might pull this sheet over pretty quickly, so we're going to stand back a little bit so we don't get run over by a very heavy sheet of steel. That sheet probably weighs a ton. A literal ton, not just like figure of speech. Like it weighs a ton. It actually literally weighs a ton. Probably a little bit more. So this edge here, this is going to be our wall, and it will go from this point here, either this one or this one, I'm not sure which one, and all the way around to this mark. And you can see the line where the wall is going to be. So this is going to be pretty cool. And you'll see that there's a ledge here. There's like a 30 centimeter, almost 30 centimeter ledge. And that is for us to put the 3D printed coral on. So that's kind of a shelf for the coral.